Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to use function keys on this laptop. So the function keys are located at the top of your keyboard, listed from F1 to F12, and they perform different functions. By default, they perform different functions for each program, but they basically do the same thing on each keyboard. So for example, F1 in most programs will call out the help menu, F5 will refresh the page, F11 will, for example, put your device on a full screen when you're watching a video, and F12 will enable the developer tools in browsers. And your function keys also have secondary functions, and to activate them you have to press and hold the F1 button and then press each of these buttons, and they perform different functions this way. For example, F1 will put your device into sleep mode, F2 will enable portable hotspot, F3 will decrease the screen brightness, F4 will increase it, F5 will change the projection type if you are connected to the monitor, F6 will toggle your screen, F7 will toggle your touchpad, F8 will change the keyboard backlight, F9 mutes system sound, F10 decreases system sound, F11 increases it, and F12 enables numpad. So, and the numpad is located right here. If you can see, these buttons have different functions. So if you enable numpad, you'll be able to use these buttons as 7, 8, 9. This will be 4, 5, 6, and this 1, 2, 3, 0, and the rest as it says on the as it shows on the keyboard keys. Now you can also press F1 button and press home button to play and pause media, page up to stop media, page down to enable previous media, and end to go to the next media file. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.